Restatements of the law are a set of treatises on legal subjects that seek to inform judges and lawyers about general principles of common law. These are all published by the American Law Institute, an organization of judges, legal academics, and practitioners founded in 1923, and can be found in HeinOnline's American Law Institute library. The Restatement Section Locator tool is located on the database homepage, above the full listing of restatements and principles of the law. From here, choose the restatement name, edition, and enter the section number you are looking for. For example, let's search for the second edition of Restatements of the Law on Contracts, specifically Section 40. The tool will bring up several different listings where Section 40 can be found within the main volume as well as the appendix volumes. Select the main volume. This will bring you directly to the page Section 40 begins on. You can also find this section by browsing through Restatements of the Law, Contracts, 2nd edition, and locating the section number from the indexing our HeinOnline team has done for this title. But the section locator tool is much quicker. Need additional help? Check out our dedicated LibGuide, linked directly within this database, to find additional resources regarding the American Law Institute, as well as searching tips and tricks. We hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Stay tuned to the HeinOnline blog for the next one. See you soon!